What's up guys, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you guys are watching this video. But yeah, welcome back to another video. I got another part to install on this car. What should I say? A minor detail to the car that will make a little change to the engine bay. And it is the Renegade Motorsports cap replacement. They're full replacements. I'll show you guys when I open it up. But yeah, I'm getting rid of all the yellow caps on this car. So if you can see the coolant one, the wiper fluid, the brake, master brake cylinder, and then the power steering one. So yeah, I already have a Grinspeed AOS that replaced the one for the oil, but I will be going with the IHG one just so I can use the cap that came with the Renegade one. So I'll be swapping that out soon. So I just gotta order that and then put that on, and then I can rock the Motorsport one. So yeah, let me just show you what they look like really quick. Alright guys, well here it is. This is the Renegade cap set. I optioned for the little logos instead of the R8. But yeah, I'm gonna throw this on. See, I have the oil one right here that I would have to remove the Grinspeed one. So once I get the IHG AOS, then I'll definitely put this on. But for now, I'm just gonna throw these four on. And I also got the Renegade one for the oil, to check the oil, the dipstick, and yeah, we're replacing the dipstick also. And I'm also happy that the color is gonna match my pairing one that I have over there. It's the same color, same style and everything. It's a little dirty, but yeah. So I'm glad that matches. I wish I can get the same color for my little fender trouts and the cover for the pulley and the cover for the solenoid cover, so it can all match. But I don't know, maybe I can see if someone can do it for me, even the pairing strut bar, so everything could look good. I will be going front mount because yeah, the top intercooler just doesn't look that good. So I might be changing that too. So yeah, I wish I could just do all the color, all the piping. Maybe I can get it custom to this color and this anodized, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, anodized, not powder coated, but you can get them powder coated and probably look the same as the pairing and all that. But I optioned for this one and I extremely like it because it matches my pairing. So hopefully I can do the rest soon. Alright guys, well here's the dipstick one. Comes with the whole thing. Looks really sick. So let me just throw this all on there and we'll go from there. Alright guys, looks like some of them are caps. This one, like the oil one, is a full replacement. Takes off, screws on. The brake one seems like it caps on too. You just need to get the little O-ring from it and put it here. This one also comes with its own O-ring, so this is a direct replacement also. And this one O-ring looks like it's a direct replacement too. So the only one I think is not you have to put on is this one. Comes with an Allen key, so you can tie it on. I think it has like a little hole. Fits the cap that's already there for the power steering. So all you gotta do is put this over that and then screw it on, and that's it. So let me put these on real quick and show you how they go. Alright, for these two, so take this one off. Look at that, it's already cracking. That's all. Look at that. Crap. So I'm gonna put that window fluid one right here. Snaps on. I'm gonna fix it a little bit that way, just so it can be away from the engine. I might just cut this off right here, so it just caps on, and it's nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this off so it looks good, because I already broke off this little thing. Crap plastic, but yeah, looks good. Matches the pairing right there. So let me do the other one. For the cooling one, also a cap. Take off this cap Okay, and this one just goes on there also. So just clip on. It's not going anywhere at all. It's not like you have to take it off all the time, but yeah, there's that one and this one. So next, it's the brake one. All right, so the brake one, easy. Also, you just take off the brake one, and you do need to take off this seal that's in here. Put it on there. So take off this seal, and you just kind of put it in there, just like so, and you put it on there. So, and it's nice and tight. So yeah, make sure on the cap there's a little seal you take off, you put it on there. So, and there we go. And then it just comes off like so, and then you can put it back on. Sheesh, that already looks good on this side. So the last one I need is just the dipstick and the steering wheel, the power steering. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And then we can get the Renegade one on. And this one's cool because this one is a full replacement too, so yeah. It has like a little indent thing to check the oil level, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, just put it in there and then just pop it in. Damn, see, that looks good. So yeah, there it is. So for this power steering with one on the old cap, you gotta take this off. It should snap off. It looks like it did. So you just gotta, yeah, there you go. I didn't know that. Should have looked in the instructions. I tried looking for the instructions, but it's not on their, I don't think it's on their website. But yeah, this just pops off like so. Yeah, so remove this and get this. And let's put it on the new one. All right, so it snaps on like so. It should look like this. And now you just get this screw that's in there and just tighten this screw down. So that way, it's not like it's gonna pop off or anything. That thing is stuck on there. It's really stuck on there, so. This is just an insurance thing. So there you go. You start from this side because it might seem like it's too tight. We start from this side and then you push it onto this side and that's it. And that's how it goes. So there you have it. Perfect replacement. So let's put this on now. There it is. Let me just clean them up because this one did get a little dirty from the power steering fluid. And I'm telling you, I want to change all the colors now into this kind of red, smooth red, because these are powder coated. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I just want to get that all done the same color. Looks nice and it matches my coilovers also too. Yep. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. You guys like this, or you guys prefer your ugly yellow caps? But if you guys have a Subaru, and I think they saw other cars, but you guys have a Subaru and you guys are tired of your yellow caps, definitely recommend Motorsports, Renegade Motorsports. Yeah, and they do take a while to make, so have some patience. They're making some good products, so yeah. I'm so glad I optioned for the little stylish little things right here. That looks so good. But that completes this install, guys. Pretty simple and worth it. Definitely worth it. Even the blow-off valve looks good from Grimspeed. Matches the same color, see? This is why I want to do it. Get rid of all that powder coated red and get this kind of red. Smooth and everything. Come on, Perrin. Come out with this color so I can change all your fender shrouds and everything to that. Alright guys, well that pretty much settles it for the video on this install. Just a simple little install. And again, get these caps. Get these caps from Renegade Motorsports. They're really good. And full replacement, guys. None of that double-sided tape kind of stuff that other people sell. So these are not going anywhere. But yeah, looking good. Thanks, Renegade. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.